So here's a video. It's pretty much just the tubes sound different. They're all 12AX7s, are different brands, made different places. But starting with the stock amps, obviously the orange micro, the cabinets of Vox 212, PRS guitar. I'll run through all the tubes and let you decide if they sound a bit different. I'll try to play roughly the same thing with each one. I don't play too good, but maybe you can tell by the noises, it's just the microphone from the iPhone in the garage here. So I see desktop and all. So here we go. That's the stock tube. Here's a generic, seems a lot louder. Here's the Ruby. So here's the Fender. Here's the EI brand from Yugoslavia. It's quiet again. And back to stock in case something was not the same. First, so what are your thoughts? I know a few were, like the EI was pretty quiet and the stock tube was pretty quiet. Like I said, maybe they're ECC 83s and not 12AX7s. So that might be the difference. So the ECC 83s are a bit quieter, but 12AX7s bring up the volume. But anyway, what are your thoughts? Quick little tube test. See which preamp tubes sound different. But they were kind of all in the same family. Like I said, two were lower output, but I think they're both ECC 83s. Now that I'm like staring at them better. Anyway, for now, later.